Hi, my name is Amanda, or as I like to call myself, Buddy. I had a poker game today. I thought today was a nice day, so I had a video recorded about 2 months ago about, okay, so if you don't know, I love bowling. Bowling is the most fun. Bowling, except nobody wants to go with me. So on Valentine's Day, I had to go bowl by myself, but that's unrelated. So 2 months ago, I had recorded a video when I got too drunk at bowling. Beatbox were involved. I like to go bowling with my coworkers. They're all cool. And my coworker had to drive me home, but I had this video sitting around for 2 months, and I got lazy, you know. But in the meantime, I went to Cozumel, Mexico. Finally got my passport. What else? Actually, I don't know what else I did. Oh, I vape now or whatever. Yeah, poker night. I'm probably gonna record some of it. I don't know. Real excited, but here I am. Update how I look. I got these pants for like $6. I look like Harry Styles in this bitch. Cheeto, my love. That didn't hurt my feelings at all. Enjoy the video. It is 7 in the morning because I was like, hey, let's go bowling. And we went bowling. And I had, am I wearing this inside out? Hold on. The fuck? Okay, long story short, we went bowling. I have one beatbox. If you don't know, that shit's like 11% alcohol. I had one and I hadn't eaten all day. And I got too drunk to drive. So I went home and I woke up and I realized I don't have my fucking car, dude. I left my car at the bowling place. You know how embarrassing that is? The bowling place where you bowl. It is currently like 40 degrees outside. And I have a race in January. I'm running a 5K. And guess what? Guess how far my car is? Yep, you guessed it. 3 miles. So, sorry you can hear my bird in the background. Yeah, we're gonna be running a 5K to my car. And I'm gonna have to drive it back. Literally, look at these Google Maps, bro. 7 minutes to drive and like an hour. This fucking sucks. Hi, future me here. Yeah, I have boo-boo footage. I thought I recorded more. I didn't record anything, but maybe we'll get more stuff. Oh, I don't have my piercings. I'm so sad. But yeah, see y'all in like 3 months or so. Okay, bye y'all.